Howdy, partner. So you want to learn if the Pit Boss portable pellet grill is right for you? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to walk you through this Pit Boss portable pellet grill, show you some of the features, cook a little something on it, and show you if it's the right grill for you. Now, with all these pellet grills that have been getting released to the market, I really wanted one. I had a lot of friends with them. It sounded like a good idea. It tasted good, but I have a lot of cooking devices, and the last thing that personally I wanted was another large smoker grill. So this portable one actually works out really good. It does an excellent job, and it is pretty small and compact, so you can store it somewhere. In terms of dimensions, our dimensions are going to be height-wise, we're right at about 14 inches tall. Width, we're probably at, I'll go over an inch for the spout, the drain right there. We're at 24 inches. And then depth, we're right at around 18. So knowing those, you can figure out if it's right for your particular location. It does have folding handles, which are really nice, so that helps it. Now this thing is heavy. It is about 50 pounds or so it's really built sturdy, and definitely not a lightweight device. It should last for many years, but it is heavy, so you gotta be pretty strong to be moving it around. On the inside, it is a little dirty because I've been cooking with it. I wanna come on over here. This has a 7-pound hopper, which is quite a bit of pellets, and but it'll last actually about all day on those pellets. Then inside, like on any other pellet grill, if you look over here, you have a combustion chamber. So the chamber in here, those pellets were just cooking just a few minutes ago, but what it does is there's an auger that pushes out the pellets, and we're gonna go ahead and get kind of fired up. And what'll happen is that helps to, there's an igniter in there, it burns the pellets, and it runs on whatever temperature you want to set it at. So I'm getting it heated up a little bit. Another feature of this one is it has grates, so it can give a direct fire. If you want to grill a cheeseburger or something, you can do high heat with a direct fire. So we have the removable grates, and also this top rack does a pretty good job. Now some of the bigger brands, or different brands I should say, like Traeger, they have a couple models like this. I forgot it was called Ranger or Scout or something. It's going to be a little more of a premium product, but this one has done well so far. It's got a digital gauge. Right now it's reading temperature is 65 in there. We got it on the smoke setting to get the fire started. And then I'll give you a little signal. So right there, that little signal is saying that the igniter is on, if you can see that. That's showing a fan is on. Up here it's saying no probes, so you can put a meat probe in here to check the temperature of your exact meat. And what you want to do is you want to let it run until it starts smoking like that. And once it starts smoking and it gets up to temperature, then you're going to go ahead and put your meat on it and get to cooking. So we're going to let it heat up for just a minute, and then we'll be right back. So while we're getting temperature, a couple things that just to walk you through that I didn't show you originally. This is that spout for the grease, and it catches into this tray here. Also, the entire lip is lined with this fire retardant felt that helps to seal the heat in there. And it really gets hot pretty fast. It's been just a couple minutes. It's about 185. We're going to start smoking this chicken at about 225 for maybe 20-30 minutes. Then we're going to go up to 250. It should be done just 2-3 hours. We've flattened out the chicken, so we remove the backbone. Pretty easy. You just go ahead and turn it over, cut out the backbone, and then we've also halved one of the chickens to make it fit. Now I've done 2 racks of ribs on here with the other rack that you have up top. It holds a good amount. You put a big pork butt, you can do a lot of a brisket. I'm not about a whole full one, but you can do a lot. It's surprisingly large for the amount of food that you could hold on this. So what we want to do, now we've got that good smell of that smoke going, is you're going to get your chicken, and you want to kind of set it up on here. Now I only used a little olive oil, salt, and pepper on this. I want to get the smoke flavor to really come through. So I didn't particularly use a lot of dry rub, but you could definitely use a dry rub if you chose to. Then what you're going to do is, this fits into the grates. So you kind of got to figure out, okay, where's the chicken going to go? and where can this fit if you want to use this piece. I don't know if I'm going to use it today, actually. I think I will not. I think I'll pass. So I'm just going to take this half here and put this half right here. Try not to touch each other. And then we'll do another half in the front. And basically try to use up all the grill surface. So even though it's a small portable grill, we're gonna be able to do 2 full chickens. These chickens are over 4 pounds a piece, so they're not small birds. They're pretty meaty. And let's get them smoking. Then we'll come on back. Before I forget, if you haven't already, please stop for a second and go to bottom right and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the subscribers. Also, any likes, comments, or questions really help me. We got little Summer over here coming to help cook. You like the smell? So come on back in a few and we'll see how this is browned up. Thanks for watching. Well, thanks for coming back. It's been right at about 3 hours. I know I talked about putting in a meat probe, but the meat probe actually, I could not find it, so I ended up just using an old-fashioned thermometer. But if you want to check the chicken, it is looking just perfect. So this Pit Boss tabletop grill definitely works. Checking my pellets, I have still quite a few. Looks like I used just a couple inches of pellets. And now it's firing up again. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, I got some other cooking videos with the world's best grilled chicken and toaster steak. So check those out too. Really appreciate all the likes, comments. Thanks for watching.